Hello friends, in this video I am going to discuss about analytics applications in pharma digital value chain. As we know, in the emerging technologies, analytics, artificial intelligence, machine learning, these technologies are playing a very important role, and how these are applied in pharmaceutical digital value chain is a topic which I am going to share over here. So let's look at it, the next slide. In the entire pharma digital value chain, I made it into 4 different areas. The first one is the quality regulatory compliance, second is the manufacturing execution, third is the warehouse, and last one is the patient customer centricity or patient satisfaction. I'm starting from the top and going to the bottom, how it is going to progress and how the present systems are moving towards integration, towards seamless data sharing, and how it will finally lead to digitization and then using analytics to improve the operations. So then the quality, it's analytics basically starts with better workload planning. We know we have a lot of samples coming in. We have a lot of analysts who are working. We have to also consider the lab instruments, their availability, and that schedule. So this is the process which starts with using some analysis, some analytics. As we go moving further, we have to really see that how that data will get captured in a real-time basis. It will get stored and it will be available to all the required stakeholders. No? That means mainly the sales and operation planning, manufacturing planning, stores, procurement. No? This is where it goes on sharing it. Then this quick sample data results in the minimum manual interface also. And that reduces the analyst time and gives you better accuracy so that there is minimum errors. As we go on further moving, the supplier and process analysis gives you better control onto the manufacturing system. As this results, you have some critical parameters in your manufacturing system. How is the trend? Is it likely to cross? Is it likely to fail that particular product or a batch? All these controls are available to manufacturing team, and then they can necessarily take an action. So that improves the manufacturing processes also. And then that improves the quality department's efficiency because utilization of the equipment, instrument, manpower efficiencies, productivity also goes up, and then that reduces the quality cost. Finally, the quality cost is also an important parameter into the entire operation cost. And then quality lead time, it's basically from sample receipt to results also goes down. That is reduced by 25%. This is of course based on to our experience, case to case it may vary. And then the productivity of the analyst also improves. The same comes up into a manufacturing execution also. Sales and operation planning, data sharing, data analysis also improves it. You know the material availability, projected material, see the trend, and do the better planning. That planning also has to get integrated with the equipment. You also have a data from the analysts about the equipment failures, equipment quality parameters. Then according to that, you also work out the planning about the manpower availability, manpower skills which are required to monitor those machines or equipment. And then that also improves the efficiency, both people's skills also as well as the machines also. And that gives you the better yield about the, or the reduces the wastage. And then there is a minimum process parameters deviation. No, we have a temperature, pressure, cycle time. These are the parameters are there, and those are having some standard. But then those deviations are also into monitor, and that gives you better efficiency. And finally, that can reduce the operation cost maybe up to 10%, or the wastage reduction is also up to 5%. So these are the benefits you can derive by using analytics into digital supply chain or value chain. The next application is, of course, the warehouse and the distribution planning. This improves the demand and forecast planning, because you have a real-time data and analysts can do the synchronization, and then that can improve the demand and forecast. So there is a less deviation, less changes, and then that improves your better capacity utilization. This also leads to logistic planning, because from the warehouse, finally the distribution gets connected with the transportation and then the route planning and all, and then that also gives you a better inventory analytics. The next one is transport tracking. While the movement is going on, the various process parameters data, especially into cold chain like areas where you want to monitor the movement of the truck, also as well as you want to monitor the temperature and conditions about the transport also. So then there is a alarm provision. So analytics can help over there also. Better route planning can also optimize the transport cost and fast and safe delivery to customers and patient. Assure you patient satisfaction and assure that the right product is available to the patient. This reduces the delivery lead time, and AI this chat box can improve the patient satisfaction also. And this leads to reduction in logistic costs, and lead time reduction also comes down. The last one is customer and patient satisfaction. All these businesses are driven by the customer, and this is where that value addition comes to the customer. The customer, his requirements, and that leads to demand planning gets connected. That interaction is better with the analytics. So the projections, requirements, deviations, all those really are taken care and all. And then that integration with the warehouse delivery system can help it in a way. Now there is no risk in a product delivery, because blockchain analytics really help you that right product, right batch, right quality is delivered to the customer. And integration with the other technologies like IoT, AI, and blockchain assure the risk-free cloud cold chain solution to authentic product. Smart contracts is another area which linked up with analytics can even plan and process the deliveries even without the customers and patient interaction. Like what patient or customer is consuming, what is his trend, looking at that smart contract can even initiate the order and then can organize the deliveries and all without much of a interaction with the customer or patient. And then this improves the revenue sharing, and then operating costs can come down. Hope I've been able to discuss it out, this use of analytics into digital value chain. And if you have any required more information, feel free to contact us. We are there. Do subscribe our channel so that more videos, more detailing is going to come onto this, which will definitely help you to improve your capabilities and better results and productivity and profitability. Our contact details are shown over here. Thank you. Bye.